Thanks, guys. Across the country, abortion has become a hot-button issue, but now it's an issue right here in South Carolina. The Senate Medical Affairs Subcommittee met earlier today to discuss House Bill 3020, also known as the Fetal Heartbeat Bill. The bill would ban abortions as early as 6 weeks, which is when a heartbeat can be detected during a pregnancy. This fetal heartbeat bill was passed in the House this spring, and it included exceptions for rape and incest. But this morning, Senator Richard Cash from Anderson introduced an amendment to the bill that would eliminate such exceptions.
You believe that if you kill a baby that has been conceived and as a result of rape or incest, you are in fact killing an innocent human being.
The room was full of people on both sides of the argument, and they all seemed surprised at the senator's proposed amendment to the bill. Supporters of the bill seemed grateful for the stricter legislation.
I have been always a firm believer that when someone has undergone a trauma like that, they should be taken care of, and those who perpetrate such crimes should be taken care of. The child is not the criminal.
But some senators tried to fight the amendment.
But I don't believe that everybody here who is for this would be for this if it was their wife or their daughter or their granddaughter or somebody close to them.
The amendment did pass 4-3, but opponents of the bill say they are going to keep fighting for abortion rights.
I must insist that women have the right to decide for themselves.
The bill still has a long way to go before it can be signed by Governor McMaster. It now goes to the full Senate Medical Affairs Committee, and if they pass it, it will go to the Senate. But it still has to go back to the House after today's amendment was passed. Now, 9 other states have passed similar laws restricting abortion this year, so South Carolina could be the 10th if the legislature decides to move forward. And some say it could also be the strictest so far. But we won't find out until the spring when they're back in session. Reporting live from the State House grounds for Carolina News, I'm Sarah Pritchard. Back to you guys in the studio.